13 Captivating Backyard Garden Bridge Ideas. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Patio bridge with lighting. Well-lit wooden arched bridge perfect for the nighttime stroll in the garden. 2. Stunning arched bridge and landscaping. Need a conversation starter? Look no further with this country-style arched bridge that is incredibly unique. 3. Stone bridge over stream. Not into the traditional bridge designs? How about one made of rock and stone? Here is a stunning and different approach to bridges, made of stone and boulders. 4. Asian-style landscape and bridge. Enchanting Asian-style landscaping with a flush wooden deck utilized as a pathway to a pavilion surrounded by beautiful statues and waterfalls. 5. Metal walk bridge design. Everywhere you look there are wooden bridges, and for good reason, as they are strong and beautiful. However, how about an equally strong and beautiful metal bridge? I like the rail designs on each side, which adds a lot of character to a rocky location. 6. Stunning Japanese wood bridge. A beautiful contemporary design in Japanese style and a stunning lighted bridge arched over a pool of exotic fish. 7. Great bridges in small statues. You don't need a large backyard to enjoy a beautiful wooden bridge small enough to provide a pathway over a tiny decorative pond. 8. Garden bridge with waterfall landscaping. Another small bridge that adds life to an already stunning landscaping design featuring rock structures and waterfall. 9. Custom designed bridge adds elegance. A custom designed bridge with metal railings paving the way to a wonderland of flowers and statues. 10. Victorian design footbridge. Taken out of a picture book, this beautiful Victorian-style bridge made of vinyl is the perfect spot to enjoy a glass of wine and enjoy the scenery. 11. A charming garden with a small wooden bridge. Such a charming little bridge for a cozy-looking garden, a little oasis. 12. A peaceful garden escape. A peaceful escape with stunning landscaping fully designed with a cute little wooden bridge arched over a pebbled design surrounded by beautiful foliage. 13. Pebbled bridge design. Well-crafted wooden arched bridge equipped to walk one through, avoiding a wet pond or the scary thought of stepping on a mass of pebbles. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.